In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OBS Studio aspect ratio in 60 seconds. 16.9 to 9:16 mobile format. If you're creating content for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, switching your canvas to a vertical 9:16 layout in OBS is the fastest way to get clean, platform-ready video. Start by opening OBS Studio. Down in the bottom right corner of the main window, look for the Settings button and click it. When the Settings panel opens, head to the Video section. This is where you control both the size of your canvas and the size of the final output. In the base, also called canvas resolution box, you'll want a true vertical format. Type 1080x1920 exactly in that order. Typing it manually is important because it tells OBS you want a portrait canvas rather than the usual landscape. This gives you full HD vertical video that looks great on modern phones. If your computer struggles with performance, you can instead type 720x1280. That's still a 9:16 portrait layout, just at a lower resolution that's easier on your CPU and GPU. Next, set the output, or scaled, resolution to match the base resolution you just entered. Keeping these two the same prevents OBS from resizing your video on the fly, which can soften details or introduce scaling artifacts. Matching them ensures the sharpest possible result whether you're recording or streaming. Once the canvas flips to vertical, don't be surprised if your existing sources look stretched, squished, or off-center. That's normal because they were laid out for a widescreen frame. Click each source in your preview and drag it into place on the new tall canvas. Use the corner handles to resize. If you need to crop a webcam or game capture to remove dead space, hold the Alt key while dragging an edge. This trims the source without changing its scale. If you absolutely must override a source's aspect ratio, hold Shift while dragging to stretch it, but use that sparingly to avoid distortion. As you arrange, aim to keep important elements centered and away from the very top and bottom edges, where app UIs and captions often overlap. Remember that background images and gameplay may need to be scaled up to fill the frame, and text overlays might need larger fonts to stay readable on phones. That's it. You've converted your canvas from 16:9 to 9:16, set your output to match for optimal clarity, and adjusted your sources to fit a clean vertical layout. You're now ready to record or go live in a mobile-first format with professional-looking framing.